today I have the what is this, Allure beauty box. This box is from my husband. I know, I was just surprised that when he came home, and then she asked me that try this one, review this one, but I don't know, I'm gonna open this one. It's what's inside in this box. I used to receive a birch box every month, but it's already a year that they send me boxes every month. But I like their product. I like their products, but I'm not used to order like online something. I used to use a free product. Kasi kuripot ako. Wala akong trabaho. Ano lang ako ngayon? Ano tawag dito? Pala kasi ako ngayon. Palamunin. Yeah, here you go. Gonna open this one. We'll see what's inside in the box. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, this one, my husband said it's free. I don't know. He always receive letter from them, but I don't know what's inside in here. Oh, they have a 5 pieces in here. What's inside this one? Oh, it's one and then some. One and then some. What is this? Shake it, shake it. Oh, I think it's a hairspray. Oh yeah. A dry texturing spray here. Is it clear? Yeah. I'm not used to what any. What's this? Rapid Flush brightening serum. Oh, this one is for a I think this one is for, I think in the face. I don't know. Serum, whitening serum, brightening serum. That one. It's kind of heavy. I don't know. I'm scared to use. We'll see. It's CEO Rapid Flash Brightening Serum, rich in powerful, stable vitamin C, is targeted to quickly fight the visible signs of dullness. Oh, dark spot and discolorations at the source while diminishing the first sign of aging. But I already have anti-aging. I will see. And my husband, he said, oh, I have smoky eye pen. It's a brown smoky eye pen. It's smoky eye pen. It's like what is this? Oh, we'll try to open what's inside. I think this one is for here. Smoky eyes daw. Smoky eyes. Ay, ang dami talagang arte sa mga babae. Smoky eyes. What do you mean by smoky eyes, guys? When it comes to eyes, only my eyebrow. This is crazy. Ah, ang tagal na buksan. Tensya na. Ang mukha aning dugay matang. Palisod-lisod ron pagid ko ay. Smoky eyes. Smoky eye. Oh, this one is very nice. Look at that. It's color brown. And I'm gonna try this one. It's crazy. Eyes, smoky eyes. Okay. This one is crazy. Oh, it's not that dark. Oh, I like this one. Yippee. Ay, nako. I like this one, but I can't use this in my eyes like maybe I can use in my eyes like maybe 5 minutes. Look at that. Takot ako maglagay. But I like it. This one is nice. And what else? What's this? In Transit Camera Close-Up. Oh, Must Moisturizer and Primer 1. this. Kita ba? I'm not gonna use this one. And the last is, I think this one is lipstick. Oh, liquid matte. Matte or mate? Mati. I don't know how to pronounce it. I'm not used to. I'm just using a simple lipstick. Ooh, what the? Oh, Makeup Forever. Oh, this is not lipstick. Oh yeah, it's lipstick. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Uh-oh. Okay. Okay. I'll try. This is kind of weird because I'm already wearing my lipstick, but we'll see. I don't know. It's scary. Oh. It's okay. So that's it. It's only 5 pieces. So I'm not gonna I'm gonna use this one. I don't know, I'm scared with this. It's a serum. This one is for the hair. This one is for this one is a mask moisturizer. I think it's nice if it. I'll try this one. It's a mask. I have mask before and I gave it to my friend because when I put it on my face, it's kind of painful. So these are all the products that my husband gave it to me. This one is for free. He said it's free. And he said that try this one and then give me a review. This one is, I don't know, he used to order like the birds. He used to order, but honestly guys, my husband has a lot of products that he wants me to try. If it's okay, he likes it when he likes it and good for my skin. He likes to order for me. Thank you guys for watching my videos. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe here in the link below. Thank you so much guys for watching. Bye.